All right, TikTok. I've been cutting hair since I was 12 years old, and I'm gonna show you guys the easiest way to do a taper. I like to start in the middle, and I'm not gonna start with my trimmer, so I don't have to set in a harsh guideline. The middle, and then I go to the right side, and then I go to the left side. And then all I'm gonna do from here is just connect my guidelines right here. And this hair is real complicated. As you guys can tell, it's a lot of dark spots, a lot of heavy weight. So you just gotta be able to know how to control that weight and practice. Take your time. And you know, I recommend recording because it's gonna help you see where you gotta go. Look, now the lever midway. And I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by recording right now. Look, like right now I'm recording the taper, and I'm gonna show you guys how when you record, it shows you all the dark spots, it shows you where you could improve the fade. The mirror would never give you that. Now with the lever closed, I'm gonna go right in the bottom of this line now. And I'm gonna start flicking out this bottom line. Super easy, this is a beginner system. If you can't do this, bro, then I don't know, you know. But after this, bro, it's super simple for beginners. Now with my lever midway, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna create a half inch guideline. And I'm doing this system so I don't have to leave a lot of dark hair. I found this to be the easiest beginner method out in the market right now. Look, bam. Look, bam. Now you're gonna open up the lever all the way, and you're gonna go the whole finger. So that was half a finger. We still need another about half a finger right here. So like just brushing the hair, always combing the hair back down. You guys gotta practice this momentum. This momentum right here is key to having an even fade and brushing. You know, brushing and combing the hair is really key. It's gonna not only help you have a clean area and a clean canvas, but this hair tends to curl up a lot. It's gonna curl up super bad on you guys, and you guys gotta be ready for that. Now with the lever closed, we're gonna attack this bottom line. There isn't no bottom line because of the technique that I'm showing you guys right here. This technique, this method, basically the lines don't exist. You know, the lines are erased as soon as you get to that spot. So notice how the fade is coming along, the taper's coming along, taper's looking good. We're gonna go ahead and use our 2 open because look, you guys could tell he has a lot of dark hair. He has a patch right here. And usually when I cut his hair, it's not a patch of bald hair. For him, it's actually the opposite. It's a patch of a lot of hair. You know, so we're just gonna wanna attack that right here. Comb it out. Same thing right here. You know, just not creating a guideline, but we're gonna soften up all this area right here. We're gonna soften all of this right there. Now we're gonna use the 1.5 guard by wall. And this one we're also gonna continue flicking out. I recommend having your brush. I don't know why I put my brush down. But look, we're gonna continue just brushing the hair and softening up this bottom line. That's the key right there. And what I'm using right now, I'm using the Dark Star 72 by Supreme. This clipper just came out, super fire. It's better than the Instincts in my opinion. I have the Instincts. I'm gonna be giving some Instincts away. So make sure you guys comment, you know, make sure you guys follow if you guys like these type of videos. But look, bam. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use my broken guard. My broken guard is gonna help me break up the rest of the hair right here. And it's gonna help me set up for a better fade and a better transition. And just take your time with it. You know, it's not about being perfect either, fam. It's about just getting that perfect blurry taper, you know, for the client. You're not, you know, you don't have to give them that blurriest fade ever, you know, like competition fade, you know, but just go in there, bro, detail it. You know, just give them a clean cut, bro. And with a clean cut, you know, it's more than passable. You don't gotta put, you know, all that makeup, you know, those clean ass designs, and you know, sometimes most of the clients just want a clean taper, a clean lineup, bro, and they want to call it a day. You know what I'm saying? So this is how the taper's coming along. Yes, because he has a lot of dark spots, but you know, that's just hair for you. And you know, you're not supposed to sit and complain. You just gotta work. My bad, fam. I'm adjusting the camera right here. So now we're gonna continue with this line. Once we put this line in there, it's gonna really make the taper pop. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the line. Make sure you also take your time with this. Stretch the skin. Notice how with my left hand, I'm stretching the skin. Bam, look. Stretch that skin out, you know what I'm saying? Right here too. A lot of barbers, I hate this, because a lot of barbers don't take off the cape right here. And before you open up the cape, make sure you blow the hair out. A lot of barbers don't do that. What you have to do right here is you gotta make sure you clean up all the excess hair. You know, all the hair from the bottom, everything. You gotta clean up everything from the bottom right here. I promise you, so many barbers skip this spot. I hate this, bro. And it's happened to me so many times to a point where I'm like, there's no way, bro. Like, you really don't care about me, huh? And I, you know, be like, damn, bro. You really gonna let me walk with that type of hair? So if you're that type of barber, you're kind of shitty for that, bro.